In the shadowy history of naval folklore, few tales are as notorious as the Philadelphia experiment. This incredible conspiracy theory claims that back in 1943, the US Navy conducted a top-secret test to make a warship completely invisible to the enemy, with results that were both bizarre and terrifying. The ship at the heart of this legend was the USS Eldridge, a Cannon-class destroyer escort. The supposed goal wasn't to make it literally invisible to the naked eye, but to use incredibly powerful electromagnetic fields to bend light and radio waves around the ship, effectively cloaking it from enemy radar. This idea was allegedly rooted in advanced theoretical physics, with some even linking it to concepts from figures like Albert Einstein. According to the most famous version of the story, which came from a mysterious man named Carlos Allende, the experiment went horribly wrong. The USS Eldridge didn't just vanish from radar screens. It supposedly disappeared from sight entirely in a flash of eerie green light, right there at the Philadelphia Naval Shipyard. Moments later, it was reportedly seen hundreds of miles away in Norfolk, Virginia, only to reappear back in Philadelphia just as suddenly. It was as if the ship had teleported through space and time. But the most disturbing part of the legend was unto the ship's impossible journey. It was what happened to the crew. The reports are chilling. When the Eldridge materialized back in Philadelphia, the men on board were in a state of absolute chaos. Many were said to be suffering from severe psychological trauma, intense disorientation, and strange physical afflictions. The wildest rumors claimed some crew members had become partially fused with the ship's metal structure, while others would supposedly phase in and out of visibility uncontrollably. These horrifying accounts cemented the Philadelphia experiment as a truly dark and frightening legend. So, what's the official story? The US Navy has consistently and flatly denied everything. They maintain that the USS Eldridge was never even in Philadelphia on the alleged dates of the experiment. They do admit to conducting tests, but they were for diagnosia, a common and safe procedure to demagnetize a ship's hull to protect it from magnetic mines. It had nothing to do with invisibility or teleportation. Despite the official denials and the complete lack of concrete evidence, the story of the vanished warship refuses to die. Was it a real, terrifying experiment gone wrong, or just a powerful myth born from wartime secrecy and fear? The Philadelphia experiment remains one of history's most compelling and unsolved mysteries. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this dive into the unknown, be sure to like and subscribe for more.